Hello and welcome to Cbse Fatafat by Ved Academy. This is the Cbse Class 10th Mathematics Complete Solution Series where we don't just solve problems, we build strong concepts and clear understanding of every topic. Chapter is Polynomials and we are solving exercise 2.2 question 1 beat number 4. Question is to find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. The question has two parts. In the first part, we are finding the zeros of the given quadratic polynomial, and in the second part, we are going to verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. That is, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a and alpha beta is equal to c upon a. So let us start with the solution. We'll take the equation 4u square plus 8u. Now this equation does not fit into the splitting the middle term method. Previous three questions we have solved by splitting the middle term method. But this particular quadratic equation we are going to solve by taking the common terms. Now look at the numericals. The numbers are 4 and 8. To take the common term, we'll take the HCF of 4 and 8. So HCF of 4 and 8 is 4. Now we'll take the variable common. While taking the variable common, you have to choose the variable with a lower index. So from u square and u, we take u as a common term. So 4 ones are 4 and u is taken common. So 1 u is left in the bracket, which is uncommon term. Plus 4 twos are 8, u is already taken as common term, equal to 0. So there are two factors, 4u and u plus 2. Now we'll take one factor at a time and equal it to 0 to get the value of u. So 4u is equal to 0, u is equal to 0 upon 4, u is equal to 0. We will write it as alpha, so alpha is equal to 0. We'll take another factor, u plus 2 equals 0, u is equal to 0 minus 2, u is equal to minus 2, and we will mark it as beta. So beta is minus 2. We'll find alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to 0 plus in bracket minus 2 plus minus minus. So alpha plus beta is equal to 0 minus 2, and thus alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2. Now we will find alpha beta. Alpha beta is equal to 0 into minus 2. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So alpha beta is equal to 0. We have alpha plus beta as minus 2 and alpha beta as 0. Now the second part is to verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. For that we will write our equation 4u square plus 8u is equal to 0. We'll write a, b and c for the given equation. A is equal to 4, which is the coefficient of u square. B is the coefficient of u, so b is equal to 8. C is a constant term, here c is missing, so c is equal to 0. Alpha plus beta by formula is minus b upon a. Place the values, minus 8 upon 4. Write it in a simplest form. It is equal to minus 2. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2. Now we will find alpha beta. Alpha beta is equal to c upon a. Alpha beta is equal to, by placing values, 0 upon 4. Any number which divides 0 is 0. So alpha beta is equal to 0. Thus, we have established the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Alpha plus beta by splitting the middle term method is also minus 2, and by formula method is minus 2. Alpha beta is 0, and by the coefficient method also it is 0.